I have always complained about the visibility of national government, their focus, their attention. It normally takes too long for us to speak about issues and for the national government to act with the speed that is required. They have always been very slow on issues, Tana. That's what I've tried to say. Floods, for example, have been there for ages. Corona has come the other day. With Corona, national government managed to mobilize themselves to get 3.5 billion out of the budget for allowances to medical staff. We have said as a government, county government, we have plans for intervention on floods that shifts the focus or the approach from the humanitarian approach to a development approach, that of the village cluster programs. And what is called, it calls for is between 3.5 billion to 4 billion shillings, Kenya shillings. It took the national government few days to get 3.5 billion for Corona. It is taking them ages to get 4 billion for the deployment of basic infrastructure towards the implementation of the village cluster program. Let me explain. One, for those people to move to the higher grounds, it does not just take a directive. It takes planning. It takes planning on roads. It has to take planning on moving people to settle them elsewhere. It takes planning on water infrastructure. It takes planning on medical, on education, on the rest of the services which are mandated by law as rights to the people. So just by telling the people to move does not offer a solution. That is just mobilization. But what it is required is for resources to come down so that now we can move the people from where they are today. Is a complete change of lifestyle. From where they are today to establish them in another kind of lifestyle. They need to move goods. They need to move shops. They need to move churches. They need to move mosques. They need to move ECD centers. They need to move schools. They need to move health facilities. You don't just say move. They move where? To do what? We have seen in Madogo, people are there in their shops, inside the floods, as dirty as they are, as flooded as they are, but they are saying we don't know what to do with our goods.